What's going on, Auto Lust gang? This your boy Auto Lust, and today I'm selling off the miscellaneous parts that I couldn't use and used to use on the 650. You know, if you don't know what happened to the 650, I'm gonna put the crash video, dash cam video down and the link in the description so you guys can see that. But let's get right into it. I mean, I don't have a lot for sale, but I'm sure some of these parts could help somebody out, and I'm giving them away at dirt Lord and junkyard prices, you know. So pretty much you're going to be paying a little over shipping. So, you know, I'm going to get right into that, and the contact information I'm going to put up right here on the screen for you guys to contact me through my IG, and let's get right to it. Alright guys, this is all the parts that I have for sale down here. I'm not going to put any prices up, but everything is going to be for dirt cheap. I'm going to put the link in the screen again where you guys can contact me on my IG. And also, if you guys are interested in seeing what new video I have coming out, every Friday I post a picture on Instagram with a screenshot of what the new video is going to be about. So you guys can go subscribe to my IG and like the content, but that's how you guys can contact me for the parts. So let's move along. So first off is gonna be this rear diffuser here, and it's brand new in the package. I bought it brand new from BMW for $600 and something. It was shipped from Germany. That's the only way to get Alpina B6, B7, or any type of Alpina parts, is to get them shipped from Germany. So I'm gonna also put some pictures up for you guys to see what this looks like outside of the package, but it fits the regular BMW bumper, the 640, 650 rear bumper, not the M Sport, not the M6, but it fits the regular BMW bumper. And I'm gonna put up a couple of pictures of the bumper that you need to have for this to fit. Next, I have some kick panel. I think these are kick panel trim for like the pop the hood. That's for the passenger side. This is the driver's side, and it also comes with a hood latch unlock that goes with those kick panel pieces. And that's the hood latch cable and mechanism right there to unlock and lock the hood. I have two rear seat belts here. These are pretty much great condition. I took them out when I put the new interior in, so nothing's wrong with these seat belts at all. I mean, they're fully functional. And here I have, this is some center console trim, the carpeted trim that goes above it, like right towards the top of the trim, and then right on the lower portion of the center console trim is this trim here. And if you guys, I mean, everything is going to be either tan or tan and black, but the color can easily be changed if you guys have damaged parts. And next I have these interior rear seat quarter panels here that were left in the car when the car was stolen, and these will be also sold for dirt cheap. Everything's a little bit dingy, but it can be definitely cleaned back to new condition, because I kept my car clean, but the car was stolen. The only thing with these rear quarter panels is the little convertible mechanism here. The plastic slot doors are taken off, so you're gonna have to use yours or order new ones. Now we have a glove box here. I changed my glove box to a black glove box since the whole interior was black and red, but this glove box is in great condition. Everything works perfectly fine. The soft close mechanism still works. You know, it's tan. It has a little couple of little scuffs on it, but those can be cleaned off or color changed, or the entire glove box could be color changed. And that is going to be given away to dirt cheap. Here I have, this is BMW 650. Yeah, this is the 650 all black grill. Nope, I take that back. This is the M6 grill here. Yeah, this is the double bar. These two grills right here kidney grills with this set here that goes on the M6 or 650, whatever you want to put it on. This is brand new. These two have never been on the car, and they will also be getting sold dirt cheap compared to what you can get them from offline or from a junkyard. I'm going to be giving this stuff away, guys. So, I mean, below junkyard prices. You probably pay a little over shipping for these, you know, so. And these two grills here come from the 650. They're the single bar grill, and they're also black. These were the grills that were in my 650 before I put the honeycomb grills in, and these are extremely gently used, guys. So they're almost brand new condition also, and I'm going to be selling those off dirt cheap. And here I have, when I first bought my 650, this, if you guys would like to get them, because I know online you can get good ones for maybe like $200. But these are factory OEM coils, and I switched them to performance coils when my car had 26,000 miles on it. So these coils literally have 26,000 miles on them, all 8. So if you guys are looking for some cheap coils, let me know. I'll box them up, ship them off to you. And in this bag, I have a bunch of miscellaneous things like this is a door. This is a little door to the fender liner, and I don't know if it's the right or left side, but I think it's the right side. I think this is the right side fender liner for the 650. I have a phone cradle here. If you guys want the phone option, I have the phone cradle. Brand new center caps, all 4. Some N20. I think it's N20. It's a 328i. These were gaskets for 2015 328i that I never used, my ex-girlfriend's. And this is for the, I think that's the oil pan gasket there. And this is the oil filter block gasket that goes between the engine block and the oil filter housing. And those are brand new. One is a L-Ring brand, and one is a Batmic brand, which is both, I guess, both use OEM for BMW. These are the other center caps here. Brand new OEM BMW center caps. If I can, excuse me guys, sorry, I'm doing this with one hand. And these are Tpms sensors for, I guess, from 2009 through 2016, 17, maybe even beyond. 5 series, 6 series, 7 series, Tpms sensors. They're brand new. So also have a rubber coupling link that goes in the intake for the 650, 550, 750. And I don't know, let me see if I can see what side this is. I know it's brand new. I ordered it and ended up not using it because you see that little divot there? I thought mine was broken, but when this one came in, that's just the way it comes. So, I mean, this brand new, never used, and I don't know if this is left or right, but the part number is there. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but the part number is on there. Okay, this here is a performance part that I ordered from my truck, but it ended up not working. It's the VVT crankcase ventilation system. This is pretty much brand new. I used it for about a week, but the N55 in my truck, the oil cap kind of sits to the side and not straight up. So at high RPM, the oil got a chance to ride up and splosh out, and it got oil all over my engine bay. But in most N55 setup in the cars, it sits straight up, and that won't be able to happen because if you can hear it, it's a valve inside. The valve inside sits down flush and only opens up at high boost, you know, and it has so much filtration. Let me show you guys. Open this up. I'm doing it with one hand, so forgive me, guys. Okay. You see it's a screen there, and it's another screen up under it, and then on the bottom it's 3 or 2 more screens. So I mean, the oil filtering capabilities, like letting only vapor out and not oil, is great for that part. I'm just gonna leave that alone, not try to do it with one hand. And this is I guess a brake, foot brake little thing for the brake on the car. And these are some sensors. All of these sensors currently work. You know, they might not look the best because I bought new sensors when I had the car painted, but all of them work. So that's 4 sensors in there. Those are going to be sold for dirt cheap. And yeah, that's about all I have, guys. So if you guys need any of this stuff or can use any of this stuff, once again, go to my Instagram, which is autolust_86. Shoot me a PM and I'm gonna get right back with you because I get all of those PMs directly in my inbox. So then we can go over shipping and also go over price, which is gonna be dirt cheap. So I'm sure if you need any of this stuff, you're gonna buy it because I'm selling it dirt cheap, including this this rear diffuser here. No way I'm gonna sell it to you guys for $600, even though it's brand new and that's what I paid for. And I still have the receipts for most of the stuff that's brand new too. You know, I just want to get rid of it, you know, and help somebody else out who could use this stuff. So that's gonna be the end of this video, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe to the content. And if you're new here, welcome to the Autolust family. And if you've been here before, thank you guys so much for your help and your support and being here with me along this crazy journey. And I'll see you on the next video, guys. Autolust out.